Hello, guys. Welcome to another market forecast. Let's start with the news today. So today is Thursday. We're gonna have 8:30 a.m. New York local time. High impact news on USD. All right, unemployment claims. Be careful with this one. Okay. Um, so regarding news that are important to us today, this is only it. All right, this doesn't really matter because it's only 2 p.m. and I just trade until 10 a.m. New York local time. So I don't know if I mentioned that before, but this time is New York local time. Okay, I'm based in Portugal right now, but I use New York time as I learned with ICT. Okay, so let's go to the charts. Let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have a fair value gap right here that you guys already know. I already talked to you guys through that. And yesterday, we had a nice bearish movement on DXY, closing not only inside of this fair value gap, but below the consequent encroachment. To be very honest with you guys, I was not expecting that. But anyways, that's basically what the market is delivering to us, and we just have to adapt. So the fact that it closed below the consequent encroachment, below the 50% of this fair value gap, makes me really think that we may start having a down movement on DXY. All right. And if we break it down to the lower time frames, on the 4 hour time frame, for example, we have this fair value gap right here. The price hasn't been showing a willingness to move um, to move up. Here on the 1 hour, there is this bullish order block right here, which if we're trading today, we can't target, right? If we catch a downside movement, in this case in DXY, and an upside movement on Euro USD, we can maybe target this bullish order block, right? That price have been really respecting because to be very honest with you guys, I think that if price moves from here to here, on this 1 hour fair value gap and bearish order block and start showing a bearish market structure, we may see this bullish order block being displaced, all right, being disrespected. Okay, so yeah. So regarding DXY, I want to see how price reacts to this fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame and to this bearish order block on the 1 hour time frame to see if we start seeing a bearish market structure on DXY. On Euro USD, as I told you guys, on the higher time frame, we see that on the monthly, price reacted to this fair value gap. All right, but notice that this candle is only going to close after 20 days from now. So we had a, I don't know, 1 day reaction to this monthly fair value gap. So I think it's very possible that we may go inside this fair value gap again to then start moving down because we still have a lot of time until this candle closes. So it would be considered normal that it got into this fair value gap again. All right. So it got out of the fair value gap and actually tapped the bullish order block once. It tapped the bullish order block twice yesterday, and then we started seeing a very nice bullish movement. And if you guys see closely, you're gonna see that uh, this is a bearish order block that was not respected. All right, and an order block in a direction of the trend, in this case like a downtrend, and this order block is bearish, when an order block is not respected, meaning that price went through this order block and closed outside of it and closed above it, actually taking out this high and not respecting this fair value gap, means that we may have a kind of a reversal, in this case to the upside. So considering this 4 hour bullish order block, this 4 hour bearish order block not being respected, and all the bullish PD arrays being respected, we may start to see some bullishness in price today. All right, I'm just erase this. This is not valid anymore. All right. If we break down to the 1 hour time frame, it's going to be like pretty much like the DXY. We have a bullish order block right here. We have a um, bullish fair value gap right there. Let me just map out the midnight price. All right. Okay. So here. All right. Nope, not Friday. Sorry. 10 a.m. All right. From this. By the way, since there are some new people on the channel, I just trade from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York local time. All right. So that's why I mark this this lines right here so I can delineate what time that I'm trading, what time that I'm looking for trades, what times I'm not. Okay. So this is the midnight price. All right. New York midnight open. Let me mark down to the daily candle open, which is 5 p.m. New York local time. It's pretty much the same price. I'm not even going to mark it out. Anyways, so on a bullish scenario, we would be on a discount, which would be very good. All right. So if price reacts to this regular gap and this order block and start building in up movement, this would be, to be very honest with you guys, this would be a very ideal bullish scenario. Okay. And of course, as you guys can see, if we get this type of reaction here on these zones and we start moving up, we have a lot of targets. We have this targets, we have this buy side liquidity target, we have of course this buy side liquidity here, but this is too far away. If I catch any trades, I'm not going to be targeting that far, all right? Even though I know that price is very likely to come back to this um, monthly fair value gap, okay? Let me see if I'm missing something. No, no, I'm not. That's pretty much it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so let me see how many pips. 40 pips. Okay, that's a nice range. That's a very nice range up. So just to recap, I want to see price coming back into this fair value gap and bullish order block, and then on the lower time frames, at least on a 15-minute time frame, if we see a displacement up, if we see a type of a retracement, and then after that followed by a fair value gap and order block and bullish order block, I'm probably gonna buy. Okay. So regarding the market forecast, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, if you like the video, like it down below. If you like the channel's content, subscribe to it. I know that a lot of guys that watch me are not subscribed. Like some videos I have like 100 views, but I only have like I think 40 subscribe. 40, 40, I don't know, followers. I don't know how you guys call that. Anyway, so that's it. Trade safe. Be aware of 8:30, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 8:30 a.m. New York local time news, high impact news. Be aware of that. Trade safe. Bye.